What we've got here is shifter linkage. That's the missing piece of the puzzle for my 240 to get that more or less put back together. In a moment, bring those parts to him probably tomorrow, so we'll continue this video then. I'll get at you. What's up, dudes? Next day, we're at KIWI. I'm gonna bring them some stuff, see if they can work on my car. Just rolled in. Just hoping this wasn't the case. She's still sitting outside. My poor baby. She's still outside. Can't wait though. Can't wait. Oh yeah. Getting really anxious to bring this car home and maybe play with it at home a little bit, because you guys know what it's like when there's nothing to do around the house. Gets long. I mean, I got other cars to work on, but that 240 for this coming summer is really a priority. Let's go bring in a shifter. See if they let's just bring them the ship.
Inside.
Oh, you want to buy a vacuum?
Alright, what's that?
Shifter. Got a whole damn shifter. What? Nothing. Oh yeah? That's an RB30?
Like, they asked, bro, I need to take off the whole front subframe of this car to do a lower control arm.
Really? That's why I don't like those cars. Sissy car. I never liked those cars. It's a girl's car, first of all. But I guess it is as hard to work on it as it is lame. Here's an RB30, like your RB26s and stuff. This is like a big warped version of that. We're building that right here in-house. This is like a specialty for around here, so it should be cool. Yeah, it's a little stiff, and but linkage is all there and stuff. Yeah. Is Jay here?
No, he's not.
Oh no?
To the airport, he'll be back after that. He's supposed to help me do that stuff. Bar in that bitch. Stuff like that.
Okay, so I'm gonna help Dad fix his car.
Like, you saw this thing has that shape?
I did 3. Just kidding.
Yeah. I don't even know.
So Jay's back, Mr. Kiwi himself, and says that shifter stuff is gonna work. Fingers crossed, it's gonna work. It's gonna work, right?
So 390.
So, shifter linkage, this part's adjustable. That could get interesting. This needs to be freed up because it's all seized shit. But with any luck and just not giving up, it should work. It should work, right? It's gonna work.
Huh?
It's gonna work, right?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Whew, because it is almost time to get out on the racetrack. I just really want to get the car home and start putting personal touches on it and stuff. So
Hey Tim,
should be
trying
good.
to get it in. Can you get it in, bro?
Yeah. Let me take a run at it.
Spit on it.
Good.
Oh yeah, I can feel it. I'm in. Bro, I got it in, man. I didn't even have you spit on it.
Okay, this thing's almost done. Lady's here to pick it up, so we gotta hustle. Hustle. Make some money, pay the bills. Not my bills, their bills. End link, pushing, subframe up, got the steering done, end link. End link. There's two endlings. My endlings.
I like playing with my ding-a-ling. These lights are cool.
Fancy. Gotta get that.
Oh yeah, a little magnet too.
Look at those.
Gloves on. I put the nuts on.
No glove, no. What?
Yeah, those. Oh, I've already put them on.
They're already there. I got it, bro.
Oh my god!
J'ai vu comme ça ton genre? Tout ça juste pour enlever ces deux bords, ces deux noix ici. Tiens. Pretty little number, eh?
It's cute.
It's cute, man. Oh. Yep. Oh shit, I forgot to put this one. Hey Luke, we've got the...
There you go. That's what he's not alive.
Yeah, c'est vrai, c'est long,
Yeah.
We're almost done. We're almost done. How you doing? What?
Bumper, you know?
Bumper. You don't need. Oh, be careful. I think we're done. My head's crooked. My head was crooked that whole time. Nobody said nothing.
The tension is set up here. Huh? Yeah.
Did it, bro. Did it.
I did it.
We did it. Boom, boom.
Like that.
How often I work on minis here. It's not nice to me. I'm gonna put it all over the internet.
Oh, it's manual. I can't tell where the gas is. What? My foot doesn't fit between the brake and the gas.
Hey Jay, the tire's turning.
Fucking with you, man. Take it for a drive up and down the road, make sure it's okay, alright?
Okay, now that thing's done. Check it out, working on some RB30s. You know what an RB30 is? RB30 is an RB26, but basically bigger displacement. 30 means 3.0, I think. That's 3 liter, right? Is that why it's RB30?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, okay.
Because only milk comes in 2 liters. 380?
30.
That's alright. Yeah.
Looks brand new, like
It looks
brand
brand new.
spanking new, baby. Look at that cross hatching in. Oh,
Next minute. Fuck, it does look alright, eh? It looks pretty nice.
no, it's super good. Yeah.
Does that make your pussy wet, bro?
What? What? Yeah.
No.
You had me a hello.
I know. Look here, what does that say? Right there.
Oh, yeah. Can hardly see. Yeah. You guys wondering that RB30? This is RB26. You guys watching know, you know what that's about. So that's 30, bigger displacement, more power, baby.
More fucking...
More torque.
More stroke.
More
Look,
stroke.
check here. What makes an RB30 an RB30 is
shit.
the deck heights.
Yeah, eh?
Yep. It's about an inch taller than an RB30.
So it's not actual, like, not bigger pistons or anything?
Nah, same size pistons.
Just more stroke.
86 mil.
Ah.
84 millimeter stroke.
I like
as opposed
learning
to 70
shit.
something.
Okay.
84
so
maybe? I can't
you got
remember. Don't quote me.
different crank and whatever.
Yeah. Bigger stroke. That's why
Awesome.
RB30 is a square motor, man. So that's why they develop more torque than 2Js.
You mean square?
Square, the same bore as stroke. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like 2Js have small fucking pistons and long strokes, but I think it's small pistons and long strokes, or short stroke and big pistons. I don't know, I'm not a 2J guy, man.
Yeah.
I'm an RB guy.
Yeah.
But all I know is RB30s shit all over 2Js. You just gotta find an RB30.
Are they reliable?
Yeah, man. If you're not fucking, you know, just like
What do you
any
do for
RB.
fun?
Just like any RB, man. Like, put a spline drive gear setup in your oil pump or a dry sump, and will be reliable as hell. The nature of the RB beast. Two-step that shit, unless you want to fucking be buying blocks and cranks and fucking everything.
Stuff, man.
Hey?
What's it's a series 1, so that means it's an early model, and you had to do what?
You got to weld a plate over here onto the for the idler, because with the Series 2 motors, they have. The idler. 2 motor. And you see here how there's a flat machine surface with this threaded hole.
Yeah.
That comes like that factory. So an RB30 usually only has one tensioner, which is here, okay? So to go twin cam, we pull this out, we drill a hole up here and put it there and relocate the tensioner up there, then we add an idler here from an RB25, 20 or 26.
Okay.
The Gen 1 RB30s don't have that machine surface. They look like this here. You've got to basically either make a spacer or weld a plate on there, because otherwise when you bolt your idler on, like we've done on this block here, like it looks ghetto as fuck, but it does the job. But it does the job, man.
Yeah.
It sits flat, That's the job.
Very nice, very nice.
Kiwi style. Don't show any of this to like one of those.
YouTube.
Yeah, but YouTube's chilled, but yeah, nah.
No, it's
we're
not. YouTube will eat you alive.
Eat your dinner off the floor kind of shop here, man. We're a get it done and get it done good
Sweet.
shop. Brum.
Fuck you, go.
Man. Build a fresh forged motor, rip it outside, drop the clutch, and just rape it.
The thing too is that you take it out, you test it to make sure it's gonna take everything you fucking throw.
There's no break-in periods, man.
Yeah.
It's just drive it how you're gonna drive it from the get-go. Just change your oil. Break-in, whatever, man. Like, fuck, put the engine under load. What do you think they do on a dyno? They put it under load straight away. Like, they give it fuck all time and heaps of boost and put it under load to break it into bed in the rings. Just do it to a fat fucking bird out in the street. That's the same job.
Right, so if you guys are interested, I'll be here quite often, so I'll start showing you guys RB30 stuff and then see what that's all about, because it's gonna be pretty cool. And so now we got a good lesson in that. The more you know, the more you grow. So anyways guys, brought the stuff for the 240, so they're gonna bring that in hopefully tomorrow. Worked on an Austin Mini. Don't tell my friends. Got a little lesson in RB30, so that's gonna be about it for now. That's it for today. We got to hang out at Brent's place, then we came over here, so we're doing pretty good this season already. We're off to a great start, and it's gonna be awesome. Just follow. I need subscribers. Hit that button. There's a lot of cool shit going on. Peace out. Stay happy.